This journey is becoming too long. We've crossed 2 rivers, yet we've not gotten to our destination. Where are we headed? Eh? I'm tired of walking. Take me back to my kingdom.
My king, you have to calm down. Don't see your bloody hole. Calm down, make her observe, make her check the environment. And just like 2 steps now, maybe we'll throw one.
We have been walking for too long. Have you forgotten I'm a king? I'm tired of walking.
Silence. Silence.
Wait.
I can hear some noise. I can hear the footstep.
Okay, wait, make her observe now. Make her
Shut
observe.
up! Shut up! I said I can hear footsteps.
So it's you, a butterfly that calls itself a bird.
I, Njideka, will rather die than watch you take what rightfully belonged to me. Ejike, I will beat you like a boy. And then I will kill you.
I see. So nega wagonyegi. Izagara was yaga.
Ejike!
You fool!
See what now? You sabi swim?
I have no choice. I have no choice on this. I have to go through this water.
Sabi swim?
It shall be well with you, my son.
Let
this meeting bring unity and diversity amongst the 7 kingdoms. You keep to what you stand for. All I wish is for our people to see the lion in you. Show them you are son of your father. And when you return, we shall make preparation for your marriage rites.
I can't wait, Mom. I will make you proud.
Go safely. Sam? Sam? Protect him.
I will leave that one for me. Security is tight. I will protect my friends.
Go well, my son. It shall be well with you.
My prince.
Oh no, sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's alright.
Are the boys ready?
Yeah, everything is okay. They are just waiting.
I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
It's alright. It's okay.
Alright, if they're ready, then let's go. But I pray that boy Ejike don't overstep his bound this time. Because if he dare talks out of point, I, King Zubby, will personally pluck out his eyes and remind him that he's too small to wear the crown.
Look at temper, my king.
I am very sure it will not get to it.
Oh, it dare not get to it. It dare not get to it because I will not take it this time.
It's okay. It's alright.
Nonsense.
You see, I understand the grievances your father had with his father. And now it has passed down to you and him. But my king, we must allow peace to reign.
Oh yes.
We have to find a way to make sure that peace reigns among two of you.
If they want peace to reign, then they should go about it the right way. If they want peace, they should go down on their knees and beg for it. But if they refuse to do that, I assure Ejike I will make life a living hell for him.
It's okay. We'll
He
find
has
a way.
done too much.
It's alright. We'll find a way.
Start the car.
We are attacked. They nearly killed all of us.
What? Where is my son? Where is Ejike? Where is my son?
I don't know, Lolo. He ran into the bush. He ran into the bush. And they went after him, Lolo. They went after him. Lolo.
Peter, guards!
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 Guards! Guards!
Guards!
Guards!
No, but he must be somewhere inside the bush.
Are you mad? Did I pay you to be foolish? If in the next 20 minutes he's not dead, you'll be dead. You get him right away!
self? Who be these people self? What they pursue yourself? Huh? What did happen? Now who be these people they pursue us? Let's go down their own while I go down, they follow them up and down. Huh?
Only one person will be behind this.
Huh?
Only one person.
Who be that?
King Zuba. That idiot has been threatening me since the preparation of this conference. He has always wanted a fight with me, but he is trying to strive where his ancestors failed.
Eh, see, my sis, my king, make I tell you. Now me there here. Nothing go happen. Nobody go feed you anything. Shh. Security is tight. Shh.
Mother. Not yet, Mother, but soon. He's locked in. He can't escape his fate. Affirmative, Mother.
Rest! I said, where are the rest? See, look at me. I'm not joking with you. I said, where are the rest of you? You don't know, eh? I see. You don't know. You will not today. I'm joking, huh? Then, since you don't know, you will have to join your ancestors. Hey! Ah!
What is it? We are attacked, my precious. Jesus Christ. By whom? Oh my God. No. My brother, is he okay? Is he fine?
I can't say much about him.
No. Gather everyone. We are leaving. Go out!
Okay, my person.
My brother, no.
You are ready, my princess.
Okay, let's go.
No, you can't go with us. It's risky out there.
Why?
You are the only surviving royal blood. I suggest you stay back and watch over.
I am the princess of this kingdom. I will not stay while my brother is in trouble. I am no coward. We ride together.
For my princess.
It is an order.
She needs rest.
Really?
Yeah. And she's very lucky I came as fast as I could. Her BP is very high. Very, very high. But I've given her something to subside the whole thing.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome. I'll come back later to check up on her.
Okay then, thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, sir.
Where are you? King Ejike, show yourself now.
I can't go any further.
No, please don't talk like that. You will go back to the kingdom and take the required treatment, right? I know who's behind this. Ejike is behind this. He sent his thugs to stop me and my cabinet members from getting to the conference. All because you want to silence me. I, Igwe Zuba, cannot be silent. Never. I should take my turn of flesh. His entire kingdom would be wiped away. Oh no, you will go home. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
For hours now.
Princess, I think I've missed the turn.
Are you mad? The king is in danger and you're here missing the turn. My friend, will you move this car before it's too late for us?
Hello, Mom. Okay.
Ejike.
This way, man.
Ejike.
I told you you're trying to strive where your ancestors failed.
Ejike.
For the death of my Onowu and other innocent souls, I will kill you with my bare hands.
Zuba, I repeat, you are trying to strive where your ancestors failed. How dare you attack me and my people?
I did not attack you. You killed my people. And you, Ejike, you will pay dearly for it.
What nonsense are you blabbing about? I know nothing about the attack.
Ejike, fight like a man. Fight me like a man.
Huh? I don't fight, I kill.
Igwe, Butwe. Butwe, please. I know say your blood is hot, but I beg. Butwe, I dey beg you. Please, I beg. Carry your hand down.
You carry the face you with gun. You dey carry blood, the face gun. What will be your problem, sir? I beg Oga Zuba, stay one place.
How dare you? Have you gone insane? You must address me as King Zuba, you moron.
I'm going to Manyao. You are who they do king for Esther Forest. I beg come for here. See the only king go and for here. Then they tell me it's one place, man, I'm not going to kill you. They do another thing.
My king, please. Butwe, please forgive him. No say your blood is hot. I beg.
Face me like a man. For my people that you kill, you will pay for it. You will pay so dearly for it.
I did not kill your people.
You killed my people and you killed my Ono.
Attack you. I thought you were the one attacking us.
Do no such thing. I thought you know me better.
This one say we attack him. This one say you attack us. Who be the attacker? When they attack you, they attack us. See, what I want to say, say, you see what we do now? Yeah, we do not dey safe. Maybe we better come up for here. Before the attacker will attack you, we go attack us. Go attack us for here.
If you are not the one that attacked us, who then is behind the attack?
How do I know? That question is for you to answer, Ejike.
Yeah?
Not be me, oh! Not be me, oh! Not be me! Ha! Okay, you say attacker will attack us. Go attack you. Who can be the attacker where they attack us? Where can they attack you? Who be the midfielder attacker where they attack us? But we come up for here because we don't know who be the attacker where they attack us. Because the attacker be the one place they attack us, we don't even know. Make we come up for here.
To where?
Don't follow us. Find your way.
Oga, find your attacker. Make we focus on the place where they attack us. Attack your attacker, no attack us. Wait for me. Wait for who? For where?
Don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I don't know what is going on. Please don't kill me. I'm only a driver. Please don't shoot me. I don't know what is going on. I'm just a driver. Don't shoot me, please.
Where is it?
I don't know. I don't know what is going on. I'm just a driver. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Don't get me angry. You don't want to see that side of me. Where the fuck is Ejike? I'll blow your fucking brains, please!
I don't know. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Where is Ejike?
I don't know. All of what is happening, I don't know.
Where is Ejike?
They went this way. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, please. Please.
My princess, My princess. What happened to the king? What am I hearing? Oginime.
I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to believe anymore. We searched everywhere. Every corner of this kingdom. There was no sign of him. I don't even know.
It's okay.
I don't know if he's still alive.
It's okay, my princess. We believe he will return to us. He will return. But the main thing, the major thing now, is for you to hold yourself together. To be strong-willed. The burden of the kingdom lies on your shoulder until he comes back.
Ichie, am I expected to handle all this? How do I cope? Ruling a kingdom in his absence. I can't.
He will come back.
I can't do this.
He will come back to us.
Ichie, I want my brother.
Do you know what I can never?
Problem. What's the matter? What's the matter? Hey, stay. What's the problem? Please stay there. Calm down.
Yeah. My prince, you dey see am? What is that? What's going on? You dey feel am? I don't understand. Say your eye dey work.
See, my king, you see this water? This water like this is the only pathway to my mama village. Now when we cross this water, now we go get freedom. Now this water now I cross before I can't walk with you. You don't understand? When we put body, we come out.
Listen, I don't know what you're insinuating, but trust me, I'm not going to step my foot on that water. Note this.
See, I tell you, no, they insult me, oh. You know the comment I get with this water? You go collect water, no, they insult me, oh.
Listen. I have phobia for water. I can't step my foot into this river.
Hey, listen. It's foretold that I have parts with Goddess of the Water, and I've been doing everything possible to avoid them. I, King Zuba, is telling you, moron, that I will not step my foot on that water. So I don't know what you're doing.
You see what I thought? I be say you na papi water now. Go take the lead now. Go lead us, no come on for here. My king, you see now. Let me see, I go enter markets. Yeah, because all these mommy water them, the babes where they did for this water now, they go need something like Fanta, sweet, shawarma. What they don't do all right now.
How are you coping with this deluded and demented human being? What is your problem? Sometimes you talk as if you're normal, and sometimes you go off track. What has market got to do with this godforsaken place?
Okay. I pardon you, I forgive you. You know, make I do one or two now. Make I consult the spirit where they this water now. After as well, the landlady don't show. You see, now the landlady of the water now they here. I be agent, now I be the main landlord, and they collect the full money, not be percentage. Mama, you see, you need to relax, me with package. You see, I don't really look all this there, just they're my boys. You get us to make one or two movements, our movement no clear, so we need to cross the water. I say, I beg, no verse. Our life is threatened. Just pardon us now. We are your own now. On a very good day, they do things. Allow us to pass. Yeah?
The house of Ijele is a no pathway. Your request is being denied.
Oh, why you talk?
Go back!
See, Mama, you don't understand. You don't know me. I be covenant child for you. See here they control boys. We they come here, we they pour Fanta, we they pour Coke, we they pour NEC, we they make the mommy water them happy, we they flex them. I get covenant. See, make I tell you, I be full blood of Imusu. We get covenant with this water now. Even for 100 years. The sacrifice we don't do here, the flesh we don't flesh this water now. Our covenant CD. I bet no verse. Allow me to cross this my boys. No, they look all those guns with their hold there. Now my people, you understand? We go cool.
Umusu, I recall having a covenant with your people.
Bam.
You can pass.
Hey, if we hear my praise. Come on your shoe. This big shoe the way I don't like it. Come on your shoe. You bodyguard come on for there. Big fool. No go follow us. Come out where? Go to where? Where are you going to? Are you insane?
Listen, I'm not doing this with you.
Thank you.
Let's take another route.
That is it. See the landlady there here. Me, I don't pay full rent. Pay total package. Pay everything. Agent fee. Everywhere they alright. May we cross this water. May everybody they okay.
I said no. I'm not doing this with you. Let's take another route.
HK, I didn't know that you'll be moving with a madman. This man is a madman.
Huh? That's what in the verse me. Not be everything they're going to use handcuff. My prince, make I hang you, may we cross. Let me tell you. Listen, we are going nowhere. You've heard him. We are going nowhere. Another route. See, the landlady there here. I don't pay rent. No need to panic now. Transaction successful. Transaction successful.
Cross now!
Oga. See, my Igwe, I know they disrespect you. Waiting. Come on for there. Where my woman keep pepper? Come on for where? My are you stupid? Left or right?
Dad.
See, I'm doing my best, but...
No. I give you 20 minutes to give me a clean job. What's your time? What's your time? What's your goddamn time? Oh! Pick it up. Pick it up! Pick up your gun.
Listen, I understand how this feels. I've been chasing them all around the forest. You give me a job, just give me more time so that I can deliver.
Pick it up. I said you should give me a clean job. A clean job. But clearly, you cannot eliminate AGK. I give you 3 seconds to pick up your gun. Pick it up. 1, 2. Pick up your goddamn gun! Good. Now shoot me. Clearly, you cannot kill AGK. Now I want you to shoot me.
Listen, I'm a professional in this game.
Shoot me! You have 3 seconds to shoot me. 1, 2, 3.
You shall not pass. You are not welcome here.
My chi tells me to pass. Now get the hell out of my way.
The house of Ijele has no part. Go back!
And if I don't?
I will not warn you again.
You made a very big mistake, Ijele. The house you claim to own shall in turn be your prison hall.
Women of Umuelem Kingdom, I understand how devastated you are. Likewise, our mothers. Umuelem grieves. But we must be on top of the situation. Thank the gods that Afam escaped and came to the palace to inform us immediately. Afam, take these women to the crime scene. I'll make sure that the youths join you before you get there. When you get there, I want you to do two things for me. One, recover all the bodies. Two, I want to have the list of all those that are missing. Please.
You are awake?
Where is Ejike?
My queen, let me go get the elders right away.
Where is Ejike? Ejike, where?
That is trouble, 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 pains, if you
What is keeping Ejike? What's keeping Ejike now?
Eh?
Eh? Ejike,
Yeah?
Ejike is not coming forth.
Oga, correct yourself. Correct yourself. Now my king, now you they refer to as Ejike.
I don't know what they worry you. I don't know how they do you. Respect yourself. Don't use my kid to play.
You shut up. Shut your trap.
No problem.
Do I look like your mate? Listen, I've told you before. I have your type in my palace. I have as many as anyways, I don't.
Okay, they tell me about you have your type. They tell me, you know how many guys I don't train? During my man, no war experience. No where I be. You know how many, you know if you qualify to be guard, we go work under me. Huh? I don't, for man no war, for boy scout. You use me play. Now small thing make I join army. So don't they tell me that one. I don't want you no refer to my ogas. Ejike. Now I'm going to get problem for you.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault we're all in this forest together. Otherwise, urchins like you wouldn't see me anywhere to talk to. Hey. What have you done?
Ha. What have I do?
The atmosphere smells like a rotten egg, accompanied with the 2-week soured beans. Why would you do this kind of a thing now, eh? What did you eat?
Your food with that. What did I eat? That reminds me. You know what I eat? Stay one play, when I tell you something. Calm down. Make this mess no go kill you. See, when I tell you,
And Amaka dey cook beans. Anytime Amaka dey cook beans, no dey ever allow beans make it done. As he cook beans that day, the thing no need of me. I enter am, I eat am. And I eat am, come and now eat shawarma. As I go eat shawarma, me now come see draw soup when I miss it. After I combine all of them together, my belly come dey do me one kind, They also make a throw away small give me. But very soon I go shoot sha. But
don't try this nonsense.
Oga,
listen, don't try this nonsense before me. Do you know you're before a king? And then you dare pollute before me.
No, they call yourself a king. My king, you know there they say before a king. Stop this, you know. I thought you say I'll mess again. In short, I go shit for here if you talk that thing again. What did they do you? I said I go shit for here, they follow me, they argue.
You dare not do that.
You dare not
do that.
I go shit for here. This is an OP one. I go shit for here now.
Don't try that rubbish.
If you don't come up for here, I go shit for here.
Don't try that rubbish.
You're a big fool. Come now. They go to Sienna as a king. King, kill you there. They open your letter, they call my king by your name. Come here, make this shit kill you. I go shit for here. If I shit this shit, South Africa and come meet you. They play with my shit. Nothing my shit don't do. My shit they shade crowd. My shit they pursue witches and wizards. They follow me, they argue. Come here now. I'm sure I go shit this shit for here. If I champion, I'll come and call up you for free. No.
Lolo.
Where's my son?
Oh, your son is alive and fine.
Where is Ejike? Where is Ejike? Oh!
My Lolo, King Ejike is fine and he is alive.
Micheal, are you saying the truth?
I'm saying the truth. I swear with my life. The doctor recommends that you rest. So please rest.
When am I going to see him?
When you are fully recovered from this challenge, and doctor recommends that you have enough rest.
Oh. Ejike mo. Mama.
My princess, your food is ready.
Get out from that door!
I know hear you, ma.
I said get out! Who asked you for food? I don't want to see you in my room again.
There is trouble.
Because I already summoned me before you came. Then I need not tell you why you have been summoned. Go and tell them that I'm coming.
Igwe, I hope you are getting better.
Honestly, I don't think I'm going to scale through this.
Your Majesty, please don't talk like this. You'll be fine, okay?
I summoned both of you here for a reason. Lolo,
Your Majesty.
you are my first queen, the mother of my son, the prince, the heir apparent to my throne in this kingdom. And you, Lolo, you also blessed me with a wonderful, hot-headed daughter.
My king, do not take it so hard to your heart. It's just useful exuberance. I know she will come around. But she'll come around.
I do hope so. You both are aware of the customs and tradition in this kingdom. Princess Ijideka has no inheritance. No inheritance goes to her, unless, of course, she's legally married. However, if she's able to find a suitor before my son, the husband automatically becomes the prime minister. Alongside the prince, they shall rule this kingdom.
Like I said, I'm aware of that, and something must have to be done to that effect.
Lord,
My lord.
Prepare the prince, my son, for his coronation. He is the son of a lion, and he will do better than I've ever done. Prepare him.
Oh, come on, Mom. I don't like this. You should try knocking before barging into my room, goddammit.
You are delusional, Njideka. Yes, you are. Instead of you to be processing on how to grab a good portion of this kingdom for yourself, you are busy here drinking and smoking yourself to stupor. Must I do everything for you? Huh?
What have I done this time around?
Everything. In fact, the question would have been, what have you not done? Njideka, by now you are supposed to have gotten a man standing by waiting to get married to you. But no, you are drinking, you are smoking. Need I remind you that if anything happens and your father joins his ancestors, that you will lose everything?
That's bullshit. Mom, I thought that law has been abolished a long time ago.
Abolished? Who did? Okay, you. You had better wake up from this, your slumber, and go grab yourself a man that will get married to you.
Wait, what?
You heard me. I was explicit. Enough.
It is true, my queen. The princess, your daughter, needs a husband right now. In fact, immediately. And let me shock you. If her husband eventually becomes the prime minister of this great kingdom, he can contest for the throne of Umala kingdom when the king is not available.
No, wait. Maziodele, you're kidding me, right? This is a joke, right?
It is true. It is not a joke. Let me inform you. I, Maziodele, I'm a custodian of the custom and laws of this land. If her husband eventually becomes the prime minister, he's next in line to the throne, and therefore he can contest for it when the king is not available.
Maziodele, a husband is not some commodity you can go down to a nearby supermarket and purchase. How do we get my daughter a suitable suitor at this moment?
I grew up in this land. I have been in this community for ages. There's a young man, befitting, handsome, the type you will love, my queen. I will have a word with him. And I know he will be interested in our princess.
That sounds nice. But then, who is he?
Relax, my queen. Relax. You will see him. Trust me on that.
Thank you.
Rubbish. Where's my fucking cigarette?
Are you insane, Njideka? Let me ask you. Njideka, are you mad?
Or does it mean that your cognitive domain is no longer functional? Why did you trash that man in that manner?
Ma, that fool made me go to a garbage disposal house to wait for him for hours. I had to teach him some manners.
You had better drop these shoulders of yours until it is necessary for you to raise them. Njideka, we had a plan. We had a target of something we would want to achieve, but you ruined everything. Listen, if you want to wallow in an empty future, it is entirely your business. But give me your ears. You are going back to that man and you will apologize to him.
Over my dead body will I do such a thing, mother. I won't.
You dare challenge me?
Oh, I'm sorry, mother.
Yeah. If you dare, in your stupid life, raise your voice this much at me, I will teach you a very miserable lesson. And I will equally tell you how I conjured you into this world, fool.
I wouldn't be here if not for the appeals of your mother and your uncle.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? But you made me do it. A young guy like you should have a class, but clearly you don't. You are so classless.
Really, is that your apology?
Excuse you? Wait. Do you expect me to crawl, worship at your feet? Is that what you want? Huh? That I should beg you? Cry, probably.
Njideka, you're delusional.
Okay, wait. Look, I'm sorry. For real though, I am. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Can you just hang on, let me go in and get dressed? I would like to come with you. We could just go to your house, chill for some days.
Okay, fine. I'll be waiting for you.
But again, you should have some class, you know.
Something else.
Oh, no.
You're welcome to my home. Meet my mom.
My daughter, you are welcome.
And so, where are your maid? I mean, no one is here to serve me. You don't have any?
My mom just greeted you.
Oh, hi. Now I understand why you have a very poor taste. Take me to my quarters. Where is it?
It's fine.
Let's go! Yeah.
You're welcome once again. Please, make yourself comfortable, okay? And also, what do I offer you?
A glass of Hennessy with 3 wraps of marijuana, because I need to clear my head from all this rubbish that I've been seeing around.
Mari, what? You smoke that?
Did they walk you? I don't understand. Carry waiting I ask come for me now. I don't understand.
I'm sorry, okay? I don't have such at home and I don't condone such acts in this house.
Exactly, it's that simple. If you don't have what I asked for, then you get the hell out of my face.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Okay. Just go. What kind of nigga doesn't have a Hennessy and marijuana in this generation? This guy is Jew.
Calling someone. Where did you pick this up from?
Mama, I'm really sorry, okay? And what did he talk me into this? He said it was for the betterment of the family. Mama, I don't even know how long I can go on with this nonsense. I don't know.
Oh. She's the princess you talked about. This one, a princess. She doesn't act like a princess. Makes me question who raised her.
Mama, please. Okay, let's just give her some time to adjust. I believe she will change.
Oh, change. She will change. No problem. I will join you in that prayer. We will all pray she change. She will change.
Mama, let me just get her some water to drink.
Hey! Hey. Put that off, okay? What are you doing? Put that off.
I don't understand. Did they walk you? Huh? You know, give me waiting I asked for. I decided to manage this one. So what's your problem?
Njideka, I made it clear to you that I don't condone such acts in my house. I told you you're not allowed to smoke, so what are you doing?
Well, I'm your princess. And you are bound to respect my decisions.
Let me have it. This is my house. You must respect my rules and my regulations.
And if I don't, what will you do about it? No, say it. Do it, because I want that thing with a whisper in your head. May you push you, may you do something. Let's see how it plays out. What are you going to do about it?
Njideka, I do not want to argue with you, okay? You're not allowed to smoke here. And that is my decision.
Your decision?
Yes.
I'm going to smoke here.
You are not going to smoke.
No, I want you to do your worst.
Njideka, you are not allowed to do so.
Do your worst.
This is my house.
And this is my house.
Njideka, are you challenging me?
I am your princess. Get that into your dumbass skull.
Moya, ejura yimanja. Her spirit is higher, nene. Kina yanora na the same page. There is something in her mind.
Why are you still up? You should be sleeping by now.
Mama, I can't sleep.
Why? What's happened here?
That idiot spoiled the atmosphere of my bedroom with marijuana.
What? No. She smokes? Hey, Jesus. Are you sure this guy is from a royal home? Because I've never seen anyone from a royal home that does the kind of things he does.
Mama, you've seen one now. You've seen one now, Mama. I don't know what is happening.
This is serious. Hey. What is this?
going to do? You're going to sleep here? Mama, I don't have any option. I'll just sleep here. It's fine, Mama. Don't worry. I'll be alright, okay? I'll be fine.
No, try and get some sleep. Oh, let me go and rest my head before I catch a day. Oh?
Alright, Mama.
Be cool.
Thank you.
Try and sleep.
Alright, good night, Mama.
Hey!
She gets a target. I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to fuck him like I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to target. I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to pull out. I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to pull out. I go love on the Akoya Mancha.
My mom needs you at the kitchen.
I don't understand. What for?
I don't know. Go and find out yourself.
Are you okay at all? Huh? Then they walk you. Huh? That I should go do what? Am I the one that told you not to employ a maid? Do I look like one to you? Collins, please! Don't even get me started. Don't get me angry. You don't even want to see that side of me. What is it now? What is it?
Njideka, let me understand something. Did you forget your purpose here? You are here so we can get along and get married as husband and wife. So what is all this you're doing?
Exactly. And so where does being a maid comes in?
It is obvious that you don't have a clue on what it is to become a wife.
Clearly, I see where being a wife has landed your mother.
Are you stupid? You don't throw words at my mother. Are you stupid?
What do you want to do, Collins? Huh? What do you want to do? Hit me? Huh? You're a big boy. You're a man. You have hands. Now I want you to use those hands on me. Hit me! No, come on, do it! Hit me, Collins! Hit me! And let's see if these hands will still belong to you. Now do it!
You know what? You're a disaster.
No, you want to flex muscle?
You're a disaster.
So is your pathetic small life, idiot! You're a bastard! I mean, can you imagine this fool? That I should come assist your mother. Tell your mother to come assist me. She should come wash my pants, dress my hair, comb it. Bastard. Fool. You all lack manners in your family. Can you imagine?
Moya, ejura yimanja. Her spirit is higher than anyhow. Kinayana on the same page. Oh well, target.
This is good.
Thank you.
Yes?
No, my friends, I just hear you. That meat is a fine meat.
If you're hungry, just say it. Would you be just say? Do you still have food here?
Oh yes, I have some inside.
Please help my friend.
I'll be right back.
My prince, thank you. My prince, this is your woman. This is your woman on 5G network.
Can you just shut up?
You know, say, woman will go far for life. Now, from the beginning, that they know. see cow head now. See meat. It had to be like chain cover of the leg. Chain cover of the cow leg. Manyoma. Manyoma, thank you. Thank you. God bless you.